What is the recommended concentration of hydrogen peroxide for hair bleaching?
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a question that many people who want to lighten their hair at home often ask. What is the recommended concentration of hydrogen peroxide for hair bleaching? It's an important topic, as the concentration of hydrogen peroxide you use can greatly affect your hair's health and the results of the bleaching process.
What is hydrogen peroxide and how does it work?
Before we dive into the exact concentrations, let's quickly discuss what hydrogen peroxide is and how it works. Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical compound with the formula hydrogen oxide. In its pure form, it's a very pale blue liquid which appears colorless in a dilute solution, and it's a powerful oxidizer. When it comes to hair bleaching, hydrogen peroxide works by penetrating the hair shaft and oxidizing the melanin granules, which are responsible for hair color. The oxidation process causes the melanin to become colorless, leading to the lightening or bleaching effect.
What concentration of hydrogen peroxide is recommended?
Now onto the main question. What concentration should you use? The answer depends on your hair type, the current color of your hair, and how much lighter you want to go. Generally, for hair bleaching, you will most commonly find hair bleaching products containing between 6% to 12% hydrogen peroxide, that's 20 to 40 volume. A higher concentration will lighten your hair more dramatically, but it also increases the risk of damaging your hair and irritating your scalp. It is highly recommended not to exceed 12% or 40 volume hydrogen peroxide for home bleaching. Higher concentrations than this should be used by professional hairstylists only.
How do I use it safely?
When using hydrogen peroxide, safety should always be a priority. Always perform a strand test before applying the solution to your entire head to check how your hair will react to the concentration of hydrogen peroxide you're using. Ensure to protect your skin and eyes during application. And finally, follow the instructions on the product. Leaving hydrogen peroxide on your hair for too long can cause serious damage. In conclusion, while the concentration of hydrogen peroxide you use depends on your specific needs, sticking to a range of 6% to 12%, 20 to 40 volume, is generally recommended for hair bleaching at home. And, always prioritize safety to avoid unnecessary damage. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now better equipped to bleach your hair safely and effectively.